Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and this is going to be the introduction for a number of videos as I go through my recent purchases, which I alluded to or talked about in my spending freeze video. If you haven't seen that yet, I will try and link it above, basically telling you what my plan is for the summer. All those purchases, I'm going to show you what I did with them as far as making them kits or if they ended up in my stash. So without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so when I have a big stack of items like this, the first thing I always do is sort into, like, if I have baskets, I will sort them into baskets or boxes or whatever I've got that's convenient. Right now, I'm using a lot of my bins for other things, which is fine. So I'm just going to make piles around and then deal with them separately. So things like this, I inventory this so that I hopefully don't buy duplicates. It doesn't always work because, of course, you know, sometimes I don't check. Don't ask me why. So I do that as well as make a sample of these. So that's a very specific type of process I have to do for those. Anything like embellishments and stuff like that, I am just going to put in a bin for now, and I will deal with them later because I have different ways of storing the different things and it's easier to handle at the end. Besides, the majority of this are sticker or alpha stickers, whatever you want to call them, and paper. So if I can deal with that, that's going to go a long way to making this look organized. Alphas I repackage, so I'm going to make a stack of those. Same with these thicker chipboard kind of things, although this one is Christmas, so I probably won't repackage this one. It's just going to go in my Christmas bin. I will repackage this one though because it's a little more generic. Okay, and I'm just going to separate these. I also have a video up on what I do with my enamel dots. I don't keep them in the packs unless I'm going to use them as part of a kit. So these also will get repackaged. This coastal collection here, I know I have paper that goes with this, so I'm going to separate this separate because it's going to be a kit. This is embellishments, miscellaneous embellishments. This was a grab bag I got from Jelly Bean Soup, and there's some there's some 6x6 paper in there which I'm going to pull out, and we'll deal with that separate. And the embellishments we'll throw with the rest of them. So this stuff does go together. They're both from the Going Places collection. I think I also bought some 12x12 paper, so again, that I'm going to keep together. I've got loose 12x12. I did a video not that long ago on me sorting through some loose 12x12, but I guess I must have missed these. What are these? These are all sticker sheets. This is a very large stencil that I purchased. Again, I inventory this, so I do need to deal with that separately. All these Echo Park collections or things like this that are in a collection pack, I usually like to repackage these, but because I've just bought so much right now, I'm just leaving these in the packages, and when I start to use them, I will put them in a 12x12 sleeve. Jelly Bean Soup was going out of business, and so I purchased a bunch of loose cardstock from them. I think the rest of these are paper pads. Okay. So let's get the paper pads off and we'll go through some of the other piles first. Flat stickers like these I don't repackage because they're not going to get hung up on anything. I will sort into color. I have very broad categories: pink, red, orange, yellow, turquoise or aqua color, and then blue and purple, and then I have browns, blacks, and grays, and then the metallics. I don't sort from light to dark. I just haven't bothered at this point. Maybe at some point I will, but right now it's just all about getting these in and sorted out. So it's just a really quick sort. I also mix my flats with my thickers. This is my bin. I've colored and it is getting very full. I don't even know if all of these are going to fit. And literally let me see if I can get a better angle. I just find where the section is and I just stick it in. I don't take any more time than that. It literally is that fast for me. So once I repackage the thickers, they go in this bin as well, if I can get them in. Looks like it's getting pretty full. I had purchased another bin for this, but I'm reusing it for something else, but maybe we'll have to use it for both. Okay, so let me repackage. I'll show you what I do with those. Okay, these are the bags that I bought off of Amazon. They're 6 by 12, 2 mil. I got 100 bags. They're super cheap. They do have a Ziploc on the top, which I don't like. So I just take a pair of scissors and cut it off. And the reason why I don't like it is it just makes it that much harder to slide them in and out. And I'm all about convenience. So I usually chop that off and then take the package, get out, slide them in. If I have multiples of the same color, I will fit as many as I can in one bag. If I'm feeling extra, I will take this label and staple it. I'm not feeling extra today, so we're not going to do that. So I'm just going to go through the rest of these, package them, and stick them in that same container or expand into the next one. And the same goes with this one. I just use this exact same bags, and then I stick this with my thicker words, titles, whatever you want to call it. I also had some itty bitty ones. Again, I don't repackage these. I have a smaller bin that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and these are tile stickers, so I do sort these separate from other stickers, and again I just find where yellow starts and slide them in. Now I've been a little lazy and I've got stuff here that needs to be sorted, so maybe I'll do that at the same time. Okay, so I made it through all the loose stuff. Well, let me back up. All the alphabets are put away. That's good. All the enamel dots are put away. That's good. Stay tuned for the next video. Going through another paper pad or some of the other supplies that I bought, and until next time, happy crafting and happy organizing.